Hi Cancer, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for April 2013. Cancerians, we start this month with three planets, that is Sun, Mars, and Venus, and they are going to be activating your 10th house. And your 10th house is all about career, it's about reputation, it is about authority figures, it is how it is that you're perceived at work and how it is that you want to be perceived. Now, this aspect started for you from mid of March and it carries on for you till about end of April. And Mars and Sun, being masculine planets, are going to be making you a little aggressive. You're going to be going out and getting things done, or even asking for them. Maybe there are certain projects at work, and you want to be a part of it. So you're going to be quite vocal about it. You're going to be a little aggressive over there as well. However, Uranus has been transiting along with these three planets in Aries, and Uranus being a planet of unpredictability, chaos, and some amount of confusion as well, could have made things a bit up and down as far as your work is concerned. You may have felt, one day that you have all the information, and the rest you're thinking, what is it that is going on, or maybe all of a sudden there could have been developments at your workplace which could have caught you off guard, and you must have thought, oh, I didn't know that this is happening, or this was being planned, or I was not aware about it. Uranus now moves away from all these three planets, so it'll give you a sort of breather. But with your 10th house, again, like I said, it's brightly lit up, so it's a house of accolades. This is also a time where the planets are indicating that you need to be reaping the results of your work. So while it is a great time where you will of course be recognized and there will be due credit that will be given to you for your work, but it's also a good time for you not to be putting your lifting your foot off the gas, so to speak. So um, keep the focus onto your work. Try, don't sort of get too caught away with all the accolades and, oh, how, what a wonderful job, and oh, what a great work that you've done, and you say, okay, fine, now I can sit back and I can relax. While of course you can definitely enjoy the halo of all the good work that has got done, but I think this is also a time where you need to be working equally harder and ensuring that the success stays, or the recognition or the credibility that has started coming to you at your workplace stabilizes more. Mercury is in your ninth house, that is about higher education. It is also about long distance travel. So, a lot of you, if you have been thinking about adding a skill to yourself, whether it has to do with maybe an additional course that you've been wanting to do, or if you have been even thinking about changing your industry altogether and studying for it, it's a great time to be doing that. I think a lot of you will be exploring not just more options, but some of you will also manage to identify universities where you want to go. For those of you who are looking for good colleges, good universities for your children, this is a great time wherein that you will be able to find something that just sort of fits in as to what it is that your child requires. So, a great time. This is also a good time to be traveling, Cancerians, and anywhere near the water. It's a brilliant time if you can just take some time off, maybe just a weekend off, and just go and spend some time near the beach, or a lake, or just go for swimming if there's nothing near your you know the place where you live. But this is something that will do you immense good. I think it is something which is very therapeutic for you at this point of time. You just need to be near the water. It'll do you really, really good. For those of you who can't do any of this at all, there are some water-based therapies. Maybe you can go to the spa and get yourself treated well. Your body at this point of time is very closely attuned to your emotions as well. So whatever it is, that is going up and down in your life, I think if you were just to take a weekend off, that's all. Just And even if that is tough, just take a couple of hours and just go to the spa and get some water therapy done. You'll see the difference. So do that. This is also a time wherein that you could be seeking some clarity or help from authority figures, and it will come to you. Overall, it's a good month, Cancerians. It's a, I think it's really a time for you this month. Besides, of course, your 10th house being lit up, and I think a lot of focus is on therapeutic stuff this month. I think even though your career and your work and everything is very beautifully lit up and there's no need to be worrying about work, but I think a lot of you could do with some time off this month, and like I said, try and go near the water. So have a lovely April. I'll see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.